We're going over the homework from last night from lesson 1, 2, day 1. You had to do the problems on pages 20 and 21. You have 2 through 5, 8, 18 through 21, right? Yeah. Okay, so here we go. We're going to take a look at number 2 first. The k and the h affect the input or the output. So g of x equals f of x plus k, and g of x equals f of x minus h. I think the confusing part about this problem would be the fact that they're using this f of x notation to generically represent any function. Let me put this in terms of how we looked at it yesterday. Let's pretend our f of x here is x squared. So would this k affect the input or the output? Versus in the next one, it would look like this from yesterday. X minus h squared. So for example, if this k was a 4, would it affect the input or the output? Since it's shifting everything up 4 or up k, it's going to affect the output. Anytime the k, the number you're adding, is on the outside of the f of x, it's going to affect output, or y values. Anytime the h, or even if it was a 4, right, if you were doing x minus 4 squared, that would shift the graph right 4, meaning it's affecting the x's, meaning that it's affecting the inputs. So when you see a number, here it's a letter, but h is representing any number, inside the f of x, that's going to affect input. Outside the f of x, like that, is going to affect output. Number 3, we'll tie it right in here with number 2. Margot is comparing the functions f of x equals absolute value with absolute value of x plus 1 minus 5. She states that it goes 5 units down. Well, that's good. 5 units down is correct. But then she states that it goes 1 unit to the right. And if it's x plus 1, that should go to the left. So that was her mistake in that problem. Moving on to the next set, you had to do 4, 5, and 8. All you had to do is tell me which way they went and how far. Number 4, the minus 1, makes it slide down 1. Number 5, with the minus 3, it makes it go right 3. Number 8, it has an x squared minus 2. That parabola would slide down 2. Everything else there, 6, 7, 9, 10, and 11, deal with reflections and dilation.